Good morning. Welcome back to Every Day a Plant, the quiet corner of your day where green things grow, and so do we. Today's companion, the Calathea Roseopicta, better known as the Medallion. She's a creature of rhythm. Each night her leaves fold upward in prayer, and each morning, slowly, patiently, they open again to greet the light. Watch them now, unfurling like soft green coins edged in rows. Run a fingertip gently along the surface. Feel that velvet hush, cool, almost cloth-like, with veins that trace themselves in silver. This is how we say good morning, not with words, but with attention. There's no rush in this ritual, just breath, light, and a plant that has been waiting for you. Let's begin. Our medallion comes from the rainforest floor, where the air is always soft and damp. To keep her edges from turning crisp and brown, we aim for humidity at 60% or higher. A fine mist held at a distance is the kindest way. Light even passes, like morning fog settling over leaves. Not a downpour, just a whisper of moisture that reminds her of home. Now, water. Calatheas are sensitive souls. The minerals and fluoride in tap water can scorch their delicate tips, so we use distilled water only. Think of it as clean rain, bottled and waiting. Before we pour, we check. Press a finger an inch into the soil. If it comes away dry, she's thirsty. If it's still cool and damp, we wait another day. Today the soil is dry, so we pour slowly, in gentle circles until the water finds every root. Light is the next gift. The medallion doesn't want the bright blaze of a window. Direct sun will fade those beautiful patterns. What she loves is bright, indirect light, filtered, soft, dappled. So we move her a step back from the glass into that gentler glow. This is where her colors sing. The deep green, the blush of pink, the silver brushstrokes that give the medallion her name. Once a month, we clean. Dust gathers on these wide leaves like a quiet blanket, dimming the shine and slowing her breath. Take a soft, damp cloth, support each leaf from beneath and wipe, slowly, tenderly, top and bottom. She can breathe again, and she shines. Now step back. Take a breath. Look at her, glowing in her new patch of light, leaves lifted, dust gone, soil quenched. A small, living thing, tended well. Your morning ritual is complete. Your medallion is ready for the day. And so, I hope, are you. Which plant should we visit tomorrow? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the morning light.